Subaru has built a strong reputation for making tough and reliable off-road vehicles, but not all their models live up to the hype. While some Subarus are well worth the money, others come with serious mechanical issues, poor performance, and long-term reliability concerns. These are the ones you should definitely avoid. Hey everyone, this is Kami from Wiki Wheels, and today we're breaking down the best and worst Subaru models out there. I'll be showing you 3 Subaru cars that are excellent choices, and 3 that you should stay far away from due to reliability problems, design flaws, and performance issues. Before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's not mandatory, but it really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more valuable car content. All right, let's dive in. Let's start with the Subaru models you should consider buying. 2025 Subaru Crosstrek. The first Subaru on this list is the 2025 Crosstrek, proving that when it comes to rugged SUVs, Subaru knows exactly what they're doing. The latest Crosstrek is considered one of the most reliable SUVs you can get, and that's not just my opinion. Even Consumer Reports agrees. The Crosstrek offers a smooth ride, great fuel efficiency, and Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive, making it a practical choice no matter where you drive. With its off-road capability, it's a solid pick for those who need a dependable SUV that can handle a variety of terrains. Plus, its high ground clearance further enhances its ability to tackle mild off-road adventures. The 2025 model continues Subaru's tradition of making durable and versatile vehicles. It comes with a standard 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 152 horsepower. While that may not sound like much, remember that the Crosstrek isn't built for speed. Another great feature of the Crosstrek is Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system, which comes standard across all trims. That means even the base model is packed with safety features, making it a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable SUV. 2025 Subaru Forester Consumer Reports also ranked the 2025 Subaru Forester as one of the most reliable small SUVs, thanks to its proven track record. You can expect the same level of reliability in the 2025 Forester. It offers solid acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency, getting around 29 miles per gallon, combined for the non-hybrid model. There's also a hybrid version that improves fuel economy to around 35 miles per gallon combined. These powertrains are built to last, thanks to Subaru's high-quality engineering and materials. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system helps enhance the SUV's reliability by providing excellent traction and stability, reducing wear and tear when driving on rough roads. Another great thing about the Forester is its excellent outward visibility, thanks to large windows and slim pillars, making driving feel safer and more comfortable. The cabin is well designed and refined, adding to the overall driving experience. 2025 Subaru Outback Consumer Reports also praised the 2025 Subaru Outback, calling it an outstanding SUV. Like most Subaru vehicles, the Outback is designed with comfort, practicality, and versatility in mind. Its raised wagon design makes it a great alternative to traditional SUVs, appealing to those who want a reliable vehicle for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The high ground clearance and standard all-wheel drive make it capable of light off-roading, while its spacious interior provides plenty of room for passengers and cargo. In terms of driving experience, the Outback is both comfortable and enjoyable to drive. The standard 2.5-liter engine produces 182 horsepower, good for everyday driving, but a bit noisy under heavy acceleration. If you need more power, opt for the 2.4-liter turbo engine with 260 horsepower, which is actually quieter than the base model. Now, let's go over the Subaru models you should avoid. The 2015 Subaru WRX, while known for its performance and handling, has serious reliability issues that make it a bad investment. If you're considering a WRX, do yourself a favor and get a newer model instead. One major problem is its weak 6-speed manual transmission, particularly the clutch and throwout bearing assembly. Many owners have reported premature clutch failure, excessive noise, and difficulty shifting. Repairing this issue can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. 2014 Subaru Outback. While the Outback is generally a solid choice, the 2014 model is one you should avoid. One of its biggest problems is excessive engine oil consumption. The 2.5-liter FB25 Boxer engine burns oil at an abnormal rate due to faulty piston rings, leading to engine damage over time. The 2014 Outback also has a problematic CVT, with delayed acceleration, jerky shifting, and premature failure. Repairing or replacing it is expensive. Additionally, some models suffer from steering column defects, causing a loose or unresponsive steering wheel. 2019 Subaru Ascent. The 2019 Subaru Ascent has multiple reliability and safety concerns. Its CVT is known for erratic shifting, hesitation, and sudden power loss, sometimes even failing completely. It also has a defective positive crankcase ventilation valve, which can break apart and send debris into the engine, leading to stalling and power loss. The worst issue? Missing spot welds on the B-pillar, which compromises the SUV's crash protection. Some 2019 Ascents had to be permanently scrapped because they couldn't be safely repaired. So, if you see a 2019 Ascent for sale, just walk away.